Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion Health's Daily Qigong series. Hope you enjoyed yesterday's Qigong. Today we're going to do something a bit different. We're going to be focusing on the earth and building up that earth energy and really grounding our center. That really help us get out of our heads and back into our bodies and really strengthen ourselves and create that inner strength that we need at this point in time. Alright, so first we're going to start off in that standing position that we did yesterday. So we're just going to have feet forward and a nice straight posture. Imagine your head's being pulled up by a pendulum and your base is being pulled into the earth. So you're just like this vessel between heaven and earth. You're just going to breathe from your belly center again. And this posture is called Wuji. And just feel your body, see how it feels today. If there's any areas of tension, tune into those. And just breathe. A bit of a shake. Shaking is great at getting rid of any negative energy or anything stagnant in the body. Just a great way to release things. You probably notice dogs and cats, they shake all the time. I always find it's good to mimic animals sometimes. Just be like nature sometimes. And just moving your legs up and down. Alright, coming back to stillness. Now we're just going to lift our heels up and nice and slowly put them back to the ground. Warm up our legs a bit before we start the Qigong forms. Now we're going to twist our ankles. You can do it up like this. If that's too hard, just doing circles with your ankles. Doing it the other way. Do it 6 times maybe each side. Going on to the other ankle. If you like to do it like this, that's good as well. But if it's easier, just put your ankles on the ground. Alright, I'm just going to loosen up those hips. Nice big circles 6 times, counterclockwise and, clockwise and counterclockwise. Really doing big loops with your hips. And the other way. Alright. Now first of all, we're going to do a gathering the chi and pushing it back into the earth. So you're just going to come to the side and push it back down. Imagine you're building up all this earth energy through your feet and then you're pushing it back down into the earth. On the in breath and on the out breath. One more time. To the other side. Sometimes it's good just to work on the lower body. Very strengthening to the legs, the lower back. It's always good to be grounded. One more time. just come back to center. And just hold a nice big chi ball in front of your lower abdomen here. And feel that calmness in the body and your feet rooted to the earth. And smile into this big energy ball. You can imagine it all around your belly. This massive, could even be like a big beach ball if that's easy to visualize. Alright, now it's another leg exercise. We're going to scoop up the chi and down. Scoop up the energy and down. Scoop up and down. It's one of my favorite exercises actually. So you can do this any time of the day if you feel like you need some grounding in your life. Just make it a nice flow with the breath. Do 4 more of those. Do 2 more. And come back to center. Just feel any sensations in your body. Alright. Now we're going to do a bit of a squat move. So just do whatever feels comfortable. So you can bring your arms up, squat, and out. Bring your arms up into the prayer position, squat, and out. Do 3 more of those. And just come back to standing position. Just breathing from your belly again. And we're just going to do 1 more round of the scooping. And your eyes can follow your hands if that's easy. And follow it all the way down. But you can look wherever you like. Whatever feels natural, just follow what your body is doing. And do 2 more. I'm just going to come back to that chi ball, having our hands in front of our belly. There's some people in China, some Qigong masters who will stand like this for 2 hours. And that's the only Qigong practice I'll ever do. I think we'll do one more of the squat, and out. We'll do a few more of these just to finish off. And really just following your breath. Up, down, and out. Up. Do two more. One more. Alright. I'm just going to close off. Bringing up the energy and back down. Just doing 3 scoops into our belly. And just holding your abdomen. Feeling into your body, see how it feels after that practice. And smiling into your body. We're just going to come up and down. So bring all your shoulders up, squeeze, and down. And don't bang too hard, but if you're on carpet, you can maybe go a bit harder with your heels. And this is just balancing all the chi and just letting it settle. So breathe up, on the out breath, down. Do one more. And just bringing your feet together, hands on your abdomen. Imagine there's like wind all around you and your body's just moving wherever it wants to go. Could be clockwise, counterclockwise, whatever it feels like doing. Alright, thank you very much for joining me today. Hope that gives you the grounding that you need. And yeah, join me tomorrow at 2 p.m. for some more Fusion Health Qigong. And yeah, just today, relax, just maybe tap into your body every hour just to see how that feels and see the benefits that it's given you. Thank you so much.